we have an HTML file. It look like this, and the original file it look like this. Okay, so we are going to install it on our Outlook. Okay, so mobile Outlook. Okay, so let's select everything first. So we are going to select everything. Okay, so we are going to select everything and hit copy, then back to our Outlook and click the Outlook icon, and on the left hand side you can see the gear icon at the bottom left. Okay, so we have to select this one, settings, and then signature. We on my phone there are two main. Okay, so we are going to install it to the bottom one. Okay, so click on there and paste it here. Okay, and tap the tick mark. Okay, so yeah, the right hand side, then back to again, and when we compose new, we have to change our mail also. Yeah, when you compose new one, it will appear like this. Okay, so it look like, now it look like good. Okay, so you can install this HTML file like this. Okay, so thank you.